expansion of your role, how are you maintaining the equilibrium?
So for me, it's always like that, taking the problems which are more related to something which I can solve for. So I always believe in a 70-20-10 kind of a role. With 70%, I'm putting more efforts towards the strategic and the leadership requirements and all. 20% I'm more giving time to my team for their development, their matlab, I want to do decentralize whatever is there for me. And 10% is more towards like how the day-to-day working is working for the company. So that is how I'm maintaining the equilibrium.
Okay. If I ask you, where does technology stand in all these fast paced changes and what role has it played in your organization? What about AI? Have you implemented and seen the effectives of AI across your functions? Where all are those sectors and any examples you can cite?
So yes, AI is actually given a very important role in our company. So we are a technology-based company. For us, it's always like making a software, giving some kind of things. So recently, there's an example like a person, he sat for only 7 hours and he actually made a full demo of a product which we were supposed to show as a software, which usually used to take at least 2 weeks for that person to prepare that. And AI has helped us. We just had to give, no coding was required, nothing was required, and a full dashboards how the everything is working. So 2 weeks converted into 7 hours, one person. So that is what the AI has impacted for us.
All right, one last quick question. What advice would you give to finance leaders on how effectively can they manage their roles given in the current environment?
So main advice would be always be acceptable to the change. It will keep on coming. You can't wait, can't stop for it and all. Acceptable, be agile, always think ahead, make plans for the future. It's not like today you are not working for today. The numbers which have gone already. You have to plan for the future. So that is what I would say to all the young leaders.
Thank you so much for
Thank
your
you so
time. It
much.
was lovely talking to you.
Same
Thank
here.
you.
Thank you.